Hi, my name is Jenny Veldkamp with Simply Earth, and I am really excited to share with you the story behind our new essential oil jewelry. The story behind the jewelry begins almost a year ago when my husband Dustin and I attended a church service. We learned that about 80% of the children living in orphanages in Haiti have at least one living parent. That statistic overwhelmed us, and that was the turning point for us wanting to take action. So we at Simply Earth are partnering with Mamas Oiseau to bring jobs to the women of Haiti. We all share the passion of empowering women so they can provide for their children and keep them out of the orphanages, as well as keep they themselves off the streets and selling themselves. Each necklace has been handmade, and in every way possible, we have gotten all the supplies and material straight from the Haitian markets. With every jewelry purchase you make, you are directly impacting families and even generations of families in Haiti. Just like Rose, who you are seeing in the videos, she can now be mentored by wonderful women, gain skills and responsibility, as well as receive financial compensation in which she can now help support her family. It truly doesn't get much better than that. Thank you for taking the time to listen to the behind-the-scenes story of our jewelry. We hope you'll visit us at www.simplyearth.com/jewelry.